Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. I'm Giselle Buckley. I'm 24 years old, single. I was graduated as practical nursing last 2008-2009. Had experience working as a caregiver last 2005-2007
Okay.
with two elderly and one. They have one
Totally is
children.
three, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the two old can walk?
The other one is cannot.
Okay, what time you wake up in the morning?
When I wake up in the morning, I should fix myself first, and then after that, I will fix the things of my employer.
Okay. You know marketing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the employer gives you money to buy some food, how can you manage the money?
First, I will do a list, and I will list all the things that I should buy.
How do you know the fish is fresh?
I will know that the fish is fresh if the gill is red and the eyes is clear.
Okay. How can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
I can maintain the good relationship with my employer by making friends with them and be nice to them.
Okay. When you did something wrong or some mistake in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
I would honestly tell it to my employer and say sorry and ask for their forgiveness and
Okay.
accept my fault.
Okay, in case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom call you and want you to go outside to buy something, what you will do?
First, I would turn off the stove and follow my employer's instructions.
Okay. This is the first time you apply to Hong Kong.
Yes, sir.
How can you solve your homesick?
I can manage to I can manage my homesick by focusing it to my work, and that's all.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope that you can choose me as your domestic helper because I'm honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and I know also how to cook. And also, I hope that you can choose me because I'm willing to learn everything as long as it is good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.